Yes, but again, Upunina.
Basa batle matata senze babale abasa batle matata.
Una amapep. Unawo amapep. Oh now. Sorry. Una amapep. Oh yeah. Now.
The politicians, the ANC, be it EFF, listen to their language. EFF started saying, yeah, after they are done with foreigners, they're going to be fighting tribal wars. They're going to be asking, are you Pedi? Can you speak Zulu? Are you Shangan? Mbalula is coming saying, yeah, but abawafuna mashangane. He understands. What are they saying? The fight is about illegal immigration.
Sihulumeni lungisa ndoda. Nawo ama drugs siyawabona. Laba bathi singama tribalist noma siphethe ubuhlanga. Kodwa nazi ingane zethu zidla ama drugs. Laba babona ukuthi si xenophobic. Nazi ingane zakithatha ihlinzwe Northwest namhlanje. Yes. Laba bathi thina asinangqondo unskilled. Nayi imsebenzi njoba sikhuluma njengamanje kukhandwa ama drugs emabhilidini.
Someone gets caught udayisa ama drugs. Nigerians come out and say you are abusing us. Hey bro, when out udayisa ama drug, why you have a problem with us arresting this person udayisa ama drug? Because wena ufana ngabuthi mbopheni because unqobisa igama lethu. But abakwenzi lokho. They come out cry and say, "Hey, we are all refugees."
Uthini makwenze njani?
Laba abantu basuke manje kushona ngithi bathi bazovikeleka lapha bevikela uba thina sibadingi la nathi wadi yethu le asibadingi bazosedela ezinye inkinga nathi sineze ethi inkinga zabo kufika abagcwele emafletini.
Yeah, so shanda onye njengeconsi. So shanja onye njengeconsi kuyoze kumate bafowethu.
Bafethu sihamba nazo izingane manje siyisa la kwadaba clinic. Ziyakhala, ikhala ngesisu, sikhala ngama cramps iphuthumisa ke la clinic. Zidla ama chips ke lawa atholala ukuthi anamaphilisi phakathi.
Funa deleli nabo Zimbabwe.
Number 1. Room number 1 go left.
You must put that la.
Room number 1 go left. Okay. Is you?
Kendati waluzulu. Linzeli mona maganga muna. Hansa aita matumash. Kendati ki.
Welcome back to my channel. Ever since I started posting these videos, I've seen crowd from different places because of their posting these videos, right? I've seen mostly videos from KZN and in Joburg town, here in Gauteng, and in different provinces like Mpumalanga and nje indawo eziningi. But bengakayiboni, I have not seen a crowd from Soweto, or I have not seen people from Soweto. In this video, you will see Phakelo Mthakathi speaking to the community of Soweto. It's here part of this video, and also you will see Ungezwe ekhuluma with a group of people ababizwa ngabeSuthu. So you will see it's part of this video. And also there are other people in this video that are commenting and also speaking about the current situation that we are facing here in South Africa. Please also share your comment at home. Want to hear from you at home. What do you think is a solution, or what do you think about this thing that is happening in South Africa? And don't forget to like the video and subscribe so that each and every time I bring you content like this one, it comes to you as a notification. Let's go.
Yes, but again, Upunina.
What something?
Shaya.
Uma wakho akakuthandi ne?
Hayi akamthandi.
Nangomunye. Ukhona mama lapha. Abakhona basifihlile. Lapha.
Nangomunye. Basifihle somewhere. Ndebona bakhona. Why bahambisa bakhona
baphathisha isho uthi room ngapha
hayi room khiwe kodwa khona nabo phaca kusho ukhona lapha phakathi
asilandeni nonkulu leyo ekhoneni
ukhathwa nalo
Wathukhona la phakathi.
Tana.
Makamisa kuma.
Ulamu ulwandle lo.
Ngiyadlala nje uBhodilanda, nitema uBhodilanda bathi.
Halo. Nawo. Makamisa omkhulu lapha.
Sikulelo mncane. Asizwe kahle. Siyangezwakala emuva. Lapha sivakashela uphakela umthakathi. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi siyamazi einkundleni zokuxhumana nakomabonakude. Sizomkhethela ke athule ispeech. Siyacela mayikhuluma bakwethu. Kuthuleke ukuthi tu. Siyacela mawunomuntu ofisa ukubuza. Ungabuza isikhathi eside ngoba usadlulela phambili. Sothatha mhlawumbe izandla ezimbili ezintathu. Hayi, ngathi ke ngasezandleni akazoyithatha. Uzobingelela kuphela asho lokho akushoyo. Siyabonga. Sicela nje inhlonipho kuphela.
Yebo Nkosi yami. Bakithi. Ngibona
Umuntu insizwa khipha isiqoko ekhanda umuntu oyitsizwa.
Sport lapha nsizwa.
Siyathokoza baba Mabaso.
Bayacela baba bathi bacela uphakamisa uphimbo kancane.
Oh, hayi angisondele.
Sondela.
Yeah. Siyathokoza, cha fanele ubuye ngapha ngokomthetho phela. Wajwayela ukushaya umthetho nje isidingo singekho. Baba Mabaso ngiyabonga induna zenkosi zonke siyabingelela induna zami ngiyathokoza induna zenkosi. Ngiyathokoza kakhulu ngakho konke nje njoba sihamba ukuthi lokhu nikhona nibambisana induna ingahambi yodwa endaweni yayo into enkulu kabi leyo. Ngane zakwethu kukuphi la? Semfulo North. Weingane zakwethu. uNkulunkulu ukhona. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngenxa yeinkinga esinazo empilweni sigcina sesicabanga ukuthi khona izinto esingazenza ngaphandle kaNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu ukhona. uNkulunkulu uye wadala lelizwe. uNkulunkulu akafuni nalelizwe. uNkulunkulu akafuni lelizwe lingcole kanje. uNkulunkulu akafuni izingane zethu idakwe idakamizwa kanje. uNkulunkulu akafuna abafowethu bafe kanjena bengabi namsebenzi bengabe nasithunzi amadoda angabe nasithunzi ngenxa yokuthi uhulumeni akabanakile abantu. Asisukumeni sime ngandawonye. Noma ngabe uselokishini, noma ngabe usehostela, noma ngabe usemakhaya. Asisukumeni, sibambaneni, sikhulume nohulumeni, simncenge, sihulumeni lungisa ndoda. Nawa ama drugs siyawabona. Laba bathi singama tribalist noma siphethe ubuhlanga. Kodwa nazi ingane zethu zidla ama drugs. Laba babona ukuthi si xenophobic. Nazi ingane zakithatha ihlinzwe Northwest namhlanje. Yes. Laba bathi thina asinangqondo unskilled. Nayi imisebenzi njengoba sikhuluma njengamanje kukhandwa ama drugs emabhilidini. Yini enye afuna ukuthi aze ayibone. Asimeni ngandawonye bantu bakithi. Sikhombise ukuthi sinenhlonipho, sikhombise ukuthi sonke lesisikhathi bomama bami nogogo bami besimvotela uhulumeni ngoba sinethemba. Hayi ukuthi siziphukuphuku. Besimnika ichance. For 32 years kunomuntu olokhu azalwa akakaza sebenza. Una 32 manje lo muntu leyo niyezwa yini? Kusho ukuthi lo muntu usalelo ngisho angaqashwa, usalelo iminyaka elako 20 ukuthi asebenze. Akanayo indlu. akana lutho sayofuneka uyoqala phansi uyoza qede lo muntu ukusebenza engazange enze lutho uNkulunkulu mayimbekile. Kusafanele azali ingane lo muntu ufanele enze yonke into. Uhulumeni ubulala abantu bafowethu. Ukubulala abantu ungasebenzi kwabantu abasha. Uma izwe linabantu abasha abangasebenzi lelo zwe lifile. Akukwazi ukuthi kungathathwa nabo mama kuthiwa kube yiba bayosebenza noma kuthiwa basebenze bona kuthiwa bagwazi iphepha la eduze komgwaqo. Kodwa ingane zethu zibe ziyafa lapha. Ngicela sibambisane ke mina ingane zakithi. Engikwenzayo ngicela nikuqonde. Akukona ukuthi sifuna kuhlaselwa abantu bokufika. Sithi abantu bokufika ake behambe. Bebuyele makubo. Sisale silungisizwe. Sisale silungisa ngaphakathi sisodwa. Sikhumbuze nohulumeni ukuthi hayibo uNandosi la eGoli. Uspela eGoli. Uchicken Licken la eGoli. Mark and Bean la eGoli. Ocean Basket la eGoli. Awuqasha abantu abaqasha abantu base South Africa. Emsebenzini kunomthetho. La eSouth Africa kunomthetho obizwa ngokuthi probation period. U3 months. Umuntu mayiqashiwe kuumsebenzi wenkampani ukumfundisa umsebenzi. Abamusa ukuqamba manga bethi abantu base South Africa bazilutho. Asinandaba sifune kuba namaskill izwe lethu leli. Sicela inkampani mayiqasha abantu 3 months probation bese siyabona ukuthi umuntu akafuni ngempela ukusebenza ebese engaqashwanga. Kodwa kumusa ukugangwa ngeingane zabantu kulandwa ingane ngoba laba abantu bale ngaphandle bafowethu abakhokhelwa. Labantu bangale ngaphandle abakhokhelwa. La emaplazini abelungu baqasha abantu bangaphandle babalalisa emahholo nezinja. Bese kuthiwa abantu bangaphandle bayakwazi ukusebenza. But they are reminded every day that they are foreigners by white people, by Indians. Nidla oshwama abacovwa ngenyawo nina. Nidla oshwama umuntu ongena etoilet. Aphume etoilet angayigezi izandla esazocova ushwama. Yekani ukufundisa ingane zakithi oshwama weba kwethu. Awu yonke nje ingane nje efuna ukuyithenga mawuthi uye edolobheni kuphathele ngani ngiphathele ushwama. Cela ngiphathe yekani mantombazana ukufundisa ingane umbhedo. Siswami wesisi uyabona amalokisho obenjena nje abantu abangangawo abangomama abathi phambi kweingane benze lento yenzayo bedakwe phambi kweingane ezincane ezingaka bephinde benze phakathi kweingane befike bengalaleli ngicela uyoma ngemuva awukwazi ukudakwa kuzokhulunywa into emqoka kangaka amalokishi afile nje amalokishi sitolerate umbhedo ukube nje yini nikhuzana nodwa la bese nizozondana nizondanela ukuthi nikhuza umuntu obhedayo khuzanani awukwazi ukuze emhlangano nomqoka kanje uzudakiwe uma ngabuza ukuthi igazi lithe ukudungeka mana ngemuva kwabantu uvala umlomo ngoba mawungashongo lutho awonanga lutho khuzanani musana ukuzondanela ukukhuzana amalokishi afile manje amalokishi wona asukuma alwela lelizwe sukumani namanje amalokishi yiwo asukuma thina baba bethu babehlele emakhaya bayakhuphuka ngoba sekunezimpi la sicela ukuthi amalokishi aphinde asukume namanje ningashisi lutho ningayimbi imgwaqo akuwenza umqondo ukuthi ufuna amanzi umbe lo mgwaqo kodwa ipipe lingekho la kungcono ukuthi ungahamba uyomba lapho kunepipe khona akuwenza umqondo ukuthi ufuna amanzi bese ushisa ilibrary akuwenza umqondo ukuthi ufuna amanzi uhambe uyoshisa icrash noma isikole lapho kufunda khona izingane zalomphakathi akuwenza umqondo ukuthi uthi ufuna amanzi bese ublock amaphoyisa ukuthi angafiki lapho khona niyezwa bafowethu asihlakanipheni hlukanani nepolitiki phumani epolitikini hamba uyovota kuphela phumani epolitikini niyazondana la nizondanela ukuthi oyedwa umuntu phakathi kwenu nonke ngoba ningaka uyahlomula kupolitiki ebese buyezokhohlisa nina la ikhansa umuntu ofuna uba ikhansela fana aphume kulabo abantu abalwelizwe uma ngabe umuntu ofuna uba ikhansela nje sicela ukumbona kusuka manje namhlanje ngomhla ka7 June 2026 sifuna ukumbona namhlanje esukuma elwela umphakathi ehlanganyela nathi kulwelwe izwe hayi isisu sakhe sicela ukubona umuntu ofuna uba ikhansela eba kule mbhidlango uma engekho kule mbhidlango fuseke asifune umuntu ozoza la ezothi ufuna uba ikhansela ekubeni engenzi lutho ukulekelela izwe akukho mholi osayophinde akhohlisa abantu akasekho sifuna umuntu ozothi kuzokwenzeka manje anginayo imali mina bafowethu anginayo imali mina kodwa nakho ngikwazile ukuqala into eyenza abantu behambe, eyenza abantu behloniphe imithetho yezwe. Anginayo imali. Lezi insizwa enizibona la emva kwami ziyavolontiya, zabizwa ina insizwa kwaKhumalo. Ayikhokhelwa umuntu, akekho ikhokhela, akekho nje ongaphumela obalathi yimi engikhokhela abantu abagada uphakela. Ngoba bayavolontiya ngoba bayabona ukuthi nansi indoda isukumelizwe asenzi lutho sihleli. Makhamba labantu bokufika right now eSouth Africa kuvuleka imicimbi, nibonile ku social media ezinye ingane ejabula ukuthi iqashiwe eBhusha ngoba bekusebenza abantu bokufika bodwa eBhusha. Nalokhu, this is a warning to all business people. This is a warning to all restaurants because makuqalwa siqala siqonda lapha e-restaurant lezi zinto zonke sithi zizokwenzeka lapha e-restaurant uma ngabe umuntu engafuni ukuvikela ibhizinisi lakhe aqashe lezi ingadi zakithi. Ngiyanibonga abantu bangakithi. Sizomemezela ke einsukwini through induna nabaholi sizomemezela iSoweto. Ngicela ingangiphoqi. Ngicela abantu abawu2 million abazo attend imarch engizoyimemezela la iSoweto. Vele nibaningi no 16 million la iSoweto.
This is the community I was talking about, the community of Soweto, but it's in Mfulo North. I'm gonna just paraphrase what Padumtat was saying because I do understand that not everyone that watch this channel or follow this channel speaks Zulu or understands Zulu. So I'm just gonna highlight a few points from what Padumtat was saying. The most important part was telling the community that marching is not a problem. Marching is good, but if we are marching, we must avoid destroying our infrastructure. So he listed things like the roads and water and destroying water infrastructure and destroying our roads and schools and hospitals, that we shouldn't do that. So he was actually telling the community that marching is not a problem, but we should be wise, we should be smart in doing things. We must not do things that at the end of the day will come and bite us or will affect us, because these communities are our communities. Marching, complaining to the government is good, but we also should protect our own things, because we as communities were the ones that uses those things. So I think that's the best short summary for Phakelo Mthakathi. And also he was telling them that he's gonna also tell them the next day of the march they must come in their numbers. The first clip that you have seen, it's disappointing. It's disappointing. The child that was crying there, that they left the child behind. They ran and left the child behind. So that's the thing. That's the thing. Like it's scary, you know. According to my understanding, women they don't do those things. Women, they will kill you once you touch their child. You know, that's the women of South Africa. I know, you know, not these ones that run and leave the child behind. No. You know, so we don't. I don't know. I know mothers that they kill you for their child. You know, mothers. Some of parents, they will protect their child even if they know that this is a criminal. My boy does this and that, because of mother's love. Not this one that you run away and then you leave the child behind. I don't know this one. So you can also share your comment in the comment section about the whole thing, about this video and what we have seen so far. Let's move to another part of this video. Let's keep going.
Wali Maranra Mona Kega Hane Mitini Kenere Wunsawe Rebona Ndade Nkunu just find us a high Kendade Waluzuru Linzeli Mona Maranga Mona Hansa Aisa much too much. Kendade Gi Tagalas on that. Kendade Gino Kendade Wamsuru Minda Dena Ukile Walu Mona Hona Potabualo Eloge Hona le Mafosisa Amang Liena Antinga Ufa Kusa Social media Mona Eloge Hona Levaso Lemazantena Yana Atalusa Ona Lemazan Teka Paramasan Elonga Mona Ntatemkum The whole thing at an Lasina told Bona Mona Ubona Panava Soto le ba ya so ning kwena o tla ba bitsa hona ana banna le mafrene ga le lona ka mpundwa e kholo ke go ba hle ha le tengena ke ke mo mamela empa nna ke ntse ke re e se binta te o etsa tsuonyana wa bala kholo ke nna mona ha ho etsi tsuonyana kholo ke eo ha eba e ka ba o go letsa fela ha re batho ba lwalo rona re batho ba laoleang empa fela ba feletseng ka matapole ke be jwa ha re shota ke re bana mme jolo ha sa ke re te mo mameleng pela ha e mo nne de laxi nda de laxi ha o ka wa sheba hana tanyana ho ntse ho thwe wa ithunya keletsa ha ithunya keletse nda de ya tseba e tlile ke moeta pele wa siethu mona ka o fela Basotho mona ibile ke ntse ke tsamaya yena le ntate mtshwashwa ke ena o teng le bontate ba go le bona ba teng kwano e leng hore re diletse Basotho bana ba siethu mona ka o fela pele e leng go siethu mona ke tu ya Basotho fela ha hona batho ba ne ba teng rona le bona kwana mme o teng ka ta o twa puo ka ena empa ka ne re hai wantate o tla tsuonyana go bala gona ga go bale ke tsire me re tlobetse e memetse motlanga kenang empa haeba o tla hantle re tla bona mesebetsi ya hae ha re sentse re tswela pele re sheba e jalo wa jere mpaka twiso o ba matsoho ke ta fa ka dilate okay ka jengulu o tla bua le lona Sesotho ha se tsebe fela he mo a buileng teng ntanta lax o teng na bona go lukise ka ofela ibile a ntsa bontsha hore o tla gutla ka tela sena go tla tlhalosa ka lenyane a batho bane e ileng ya ha bana ba ntse yona mark too much o lo shotla la ngata holo mane mme o tla bontsha bona o tlo gutla e tla feedback bang malapeng a batho ba Nara mo fin trompo biro garen bi trompo gina le toti haji bua kile ke ntate o buse kele matuba ije ta jube kele matuba asubile haleluya pata mo dibelo takengu
ya leboa tate president ya leboa kakhulu ngungizwe umlando wasemachonweni abasudoria Dumela amata leboa kakhulu Basotho njengoba ngilapha nje njengomongameli wamabhinqa ngibizwe ngabafowethu uDondara lapha nomfowethu Tatalax nomongameli wenu la kule ndawo esikuyona nabaholi bonke kade sikhona nabo la bonke bashilo all the leadership was here ukusho ukuthi sekunabantu abaqamba amanga ukuthi njengoba simasha iningizimu Afrika yonke sibhizi sibhikishela ukuthi abantu abangekho emthethweni kulelizwe abazothatha imisebenzi yethu labo bantu labo abahambe kunjalo sithi abahambe bonke kodwa siqinisekisile ukuthi inhlanga zaseningizimu Afrika nabantu abama South African citizen bona sinabo kuqanjwa amanga kwathiwa thina sithi umuntu nje okhuluma isuthu uzoba yitarget njengoba kubheke kumhla ka-30 amanga lawo
As South Africans, if you are not careful, the politicians, they're going to pit us against one another or each other. The politicians, the ANC, be it EFF, listen to their language. EFF started saying, yeah, after they are done with foreigners. They're going to be fighting tribal wars. They're going to be asking, are you Pedi? Can you speak Zulu? Are you Shangan? Mbalula is coming saying, yeah, but abawafuna mashangane. He understands. What are they saying? The fight is about illegal immigration. Kumbuzo, it's also bringing the element of tribe. And I also caution the guys in KZN, ukuthi bafethu, desist from Hlangana Zulu. I've been saying it, telling people, calling them, ukuthi bafethu, remove tribe, because you are playing into the hands of the government. The government of the day during apartheid, they also mobilized the Zulus in the 70s, hostile dwellers against communities, BCM. During the IFP ANC violence, it is not the ANC or IFP leaders, members, top members who died. It is me and you. I lost friends. Now they are doing the same. Fermenting, creating a conflict that does not exist. They've got their agents, fools, recruiting, zamazamas. Knowing the history of zamazamas in South Africa, they are armed. Even the police are scared of them. The zamazamas who raped children in Krugersdorp. The zamazamas who killed Khumutso Diale. Same people who were there when Khumutso Diale was killed, who led Khumutso Diale to his death. They are now recruiting the same zamazamas. Good to know, you must defend against the issue of immigration. Mena, I don't put tribe into this issue. I condemn people using tribe. This is a South African issue. This is not the Basotho issue. This is not the Zulu issue. This is not Hlangana Zulu. We know if you don't tackle the issue of immigration, the demographics are changing. These people will swallow us. They're taking everything that we want. The whole continent is coming here. We cannot keep up our birth rate. Everything, health, housing, education, infrastructure destruction, everything. So the ANC, they're trying to bring element of tribe so that we fight each other. The Pedis, you say, no, bambulelo ngoba ishangan, bambulelo ngoba ukhuluma isitsonga. Even though, in a struggle, mistakes are going to happen. Just as they happened when the ANC called for armed struggle. Not all who died were their enemies. Innocent people got hurt. During the nucleus, students made mistakes. Mistakes happened. People were banned, wrongfully so. Even namanje, mistakes are going to happen. Some South Africans, abanye bazothi we foreigner hamba, only to find ukuthi umuntu is a South African. I'm mistaken, misidentified all the time. Even 96, when the traders in Johannesburg were fighting local and foreigners, some of them, they approached me by group. We were fighting, pushing, until one guy recognized me from catalogs, adverts, fashion magazine. He said, no, man, Jindande out ngayaz. We're struggling, ngiphethe ibheke enkulu. So it will happen. But if you listen to the ANC guys, they are trying to bring tribe. And there are some people who are fermenting it, going on all sides. That's why I'm saying, knowing the history of this country, IFP violence, ANC, tribal issues. Thina makasa sina tribalism. Abantu basemakhaya abaza nge-tribalism. Masesikhuluma ivara, emakasa sina tribalism. We integrated, siyazwana, siyuza infrastructure one, facilities one. It's like this. The same way they did 2021. I remember 2021, guys were protecting our malls. They come with that, no, we are defending, the infrastructure, the malls. They're lying this time around. They want to shift the attention from illegal immigration because they've taken monies. Satan. They're defending their private interests outside the country, even here inside the country. When they were defending malls, 2021, they were not defending malls. They were not defending jobs. People who are working in the malls are not South Africans. People who own malls like Maponya Mall, Boritifine, 51%, they're not South Africans. They're ANC comrades. The 30% that's supposed to go to communities, local women, people with handicap, they're supposed to benefit. Imagine if all the 30% in the malls development, that money was going to local schools in the neighborhood, developing in neighborhood. No, it goes to all these puppets of theirs. Abo Cyril, Abo Deep Leaf Mall. I was arrested for that. And then they added, wanted to put, if treason, saying I could say akshawa politicians agijinyiswe. They said I said that. Did I say that? That's a question mark. But these guys, they are trying to cook. And I asked these guys, I found them, about to do that. Guys, it's all good in these institutions, Zama politicians. But while you are still there, negotiate 30%. Negotiate security jobs that they give you tenders, cleaning, because their security, obviously, it was not adequate. Cleaning, jobs, some got paid. Got approved by mall administrators, banokana. Abanye bathatha imali yamaPakistani, banokana. But in the main, they were protecting the ANC.
It's in support. Someone gets caught udayisa drugs. Nigerians come out and say you are abusing us. Hey, bro, when I udayisa drug, why you have a problem with us arresting this person udayisa drug? Because when of ngabuthi mbopeni, because ungobisa igama lethu. But abakwenzi lokho. They come out cry and say, hey, we are all refugees. Hey, bro, there's no akekho umuntu ofika la azodayisa drug othi ubalekile. Ngeke ubalekele persecution yamaphoyisa namasosha ezweni lakho. Uwazi amaphoyisa ashaya kangakanani. Mawufika kwelinye izwe lapho ngabe khona uthola ukubhaca, uthola isage, ufike wenze into ezokuxabanisa namaphoyisa. So that's a problem. We've got many good people who are not speaking. And that's what I hate. And we're not having honest conversation. Basically by land of big blackmail with Pan-Africanism and African unity. The problem is there is no Pan-African movement currently happening in this continent.
Because you raise a point that is very important. Ukuthi you will find them defending each other. Nala khona kutholakala abathize benza something wrong. Bakhona who are good. Singasho ngempela ukuthi they are good Nigerians, good Zimbabweans, good Mozambicans and so on.
I've met good immigrants from Africa.
Utheni makwenze njani?
Laba bantu basuka emalokishini angithi bathi bazovikeleka lapha bevikela uba sina sibadingi la nathi wadi yethu le asibadingi bazosedela ezinye inkinga nathi sineze ethi inkinga zabo kufika abagcwele emafletini so bona besuka emalokishini bethi balekela la iwadi 32 bezocasha la nathi sibadingi la iwadi 32 bahambe bebuyele emalokishini inqwaba abahlala emafletini nabo babadinga laba bangakubokeka.
You see, these guys, they are working abongis. Now they are trying to unite the tribes because of, as you know, people were categorizing the marchers as tribals, as Zulus that are marching, But if you see clips like this whereby Ngizo is going to speak to a different tribe and addressing them about this issue that we are facing, about this fight that South Africans are fighting, it's good. And also I wanted to talk about my brother that has also spoke something that I think is very important. And also that people have been saying this government is failing us. I have videos here in this channel of this guy from the ANC, Umbalula, where when he was talking to the public addressing this issue of illegal immigrants, and also the things that my brother was saying also then. I actually titled the video, it's here in this channel, as do not misuse Amabuto. It's here on this channel. So that's when this man was talking, Umbalula, saying these are tribalist groups that are taking law in their own hands, So seeing clips like this, when now Gizo is talking to a group of Basotho people, it shows that this fight is not about Zulu people, it's about all of us that are here in South Africa. And also, this is why my brother I liked what he was saying, Guti. These statements that they kept on releasing, this government or politicians like Julius Malema and Abofilio Mbalula, of saying if they are done, when they are done with these foreigners, they will turn to each other, will start asking if you're a baby, if you don't speak Zulu, things like that. I mean, that's not true. I don't think I've been with these tribes. South Africans have been living together for years. We've passed that stage as a country. I don't think that's really an issue here. People like Abu Julius, they were just saying those words, as my brother said, trying to make us fight each other. trying to make these kind of tribes hate the Zulu tribes and say, no, Zulus are the ones that are causing this chaos, while to be honest, Zulus are trying to fix the problem that we are facing. So they've been saying those things as I titled also the video of Mbadula to say they must not misuse Amabutho, because that's what he said. He named those people. He named those people as Amabutho, while it's not Amabutho, it's the people, the communities that are marching. So he's just trying to drive this march in a particular direction. So we must not listen to these people. We are South Africans. We are aware. We are aware now. We cannot allow these guys to fool us. We cannot allow politicians to separate us and cause division among ourselves. So that's what I want to say about these clips that you have watched now. Please share also your comment in the comment section, and also don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.